Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you through managing users' licenses. A user license is the permission granted to the account admin to add new users to their organization. If your team is sizable and requires the addition of multiple users, increase the user license count on the subscription page. The number of user licenses can be adjusted based on the need, allowing an increase or decrease. It's important to note that only the account admin has the authority to manage user licenses. Imagine you are the account administrator for a growing company that utilizes the BoldSign eSignature application. Initially, your organization had only 5 user licenses provided with a subscription. As the company expands and new team members join, you must add more users to the BoldSign platform. To be able to add new members, the account administrator needs first to increase the number of user licenses. Let me show you how to do this. I log into my BoldSign account and click on the Settings option. I select the Subscription option, which then leads me to the subscription page. Under the Overview section, I click the Manage Licenses link near the User License field. A pop-up will open. The plan details, plan user count, and price per additional user are shown on the pop-up. On the Number of Additional Licenses field, I can increase or decrease the number of user licenses using the up and down arrows. In this case, I am increasing the number to 5. As the number of licenses increases, the total amount due also increases. Once you click Confirm, the amount displayed will be deducted from your account, and the user license will be successfully updated. An additional amount will be charged from the next billing cycle, based on the number of licenses added. I then click the Confirm button. See, the number of user licenses has increased. This is only possible when using a paid account. I can now add additional users to the team. If you need to reduce the number of user licenses, such as when a member leaves the organization, use the Decrease button in the Number of Additional Licenses field. Before decreasing the active user licenses, it's essential to deactivate the user on the Users and Teams page. Failure to deactivate the user before reducing the licenses may result in the automatic deactivation of one user license. To efficiently manage the process, the account admin should first deactivate the specific user. This is done by clicking the Users and Teams option and selecting the Users option that directs to the Users page. I then hover over the specific user and click the Context menu. From this list of options, I can delete or deactivate a user. After deactivation, proceed to the subscription settings and use the Decrease button in the Number of Additional Licenses field to accurately reduce the overall user license count. This is all about managing user licenses in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.